Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Kaiser Permanente mobile app, setup guide step by step clearly. To download the Kaiser Permanente mobile app, start by unlocking your smartphone. If you are using an iPhone, locate the App Store icon on your home screen. Tap on the App Store icon to open it. In the App Store, find the search bar located at the bottom of the screen. Type Kaiser Permanente into the search bar and tap the search button. Once the search results appear, look for the official Kaiser Permanente app. It typically features the Kaiser Permanente logo with a blue background. Tap on the app to view its details. On the app page, you will see a button that says Get or a cloud icon with an arrow. If you see Get, tap it to begin the download. If you see the cloud icon, tap it to re-download the app. You may need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID/Touch ID to authorize the download. Once the app has finished downloading, you will see an Open button appear. Tap Open to launch the app for the first time. If you are using an Android device, locate the Google Play Store icon on your home screen. Tap on the Google Play Store to open it. Once the Play Store is open, find the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Kaiser Permanente into the search bar and press the search icon. Look for the official Kaiser Permanente app in the search results. It will usually display the Kaiser Permanente logo with a blue background. Tap on the app to open its details page. On this page, tap the green Install button to download the app. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, you will see an Open button appear on the page. Tap Open to launch the app for the first time. After opening the app, you will need to log in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you do not have an account, tap on the option to create a new account and follow the prompts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.